Delhi High Court has dismissed plea by the Kashmiri women organization Dukhtarane-Millat challenging the Modi government's decision to declare it a terrorist organization under the Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Hundreds of people staged a protest demonstration in Ramban district against the BJP regime's decision to evict people from their land. The protesters marched to the Deputy Commissioner office and handed over to him a memorandum demanding revocation of the eviction order. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders and organization paid homage to the martyrs of Gaw Kadal on the eve of their martyrdom anniversary. APHC leaders and organizations including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Zamruda Habib, Yasmeen Raja, Farida Bahenji, Engineer Hilal Ahmad War, Javaid Ahmad Mir, Firdous Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Aaqib, Dr. Musaib, Maulana Sajid Nadvi, Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League and Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir in their separate statements said the Kashmiri people have been offering unprecedented sacrifices for a great and sacred cause of right to self-determination for the past over 7 decades. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, paying rich tribute to the martyrs of the Gaw Kadal tragedy, said their sacrifices will not go in vain and the unprecedented sacrifices of the Kashmiri people would surely bring positive results. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has denounced the Bharatiya Janata Party for spreading hatred and urged the Indian government to hold talks with Pakistan. Farooq Abdullah, talking to media men in Jammu, said, "When you can talk to China, which has entered our borders and land 16 times, why are you shying away from the talks with Pakistan?" Indian Army's last Naik Shiv Kumar ended his life by shooting his head with his service rifle inside a camp in Handwara area of the district. This incident raised the number of such deaths among Indian troops and police personnel in the occupied territory to 561 since January 2007 till date. Indian National Congress Head of Media Department Pawan Khera, addressing a press conference in New Delhi, termed the Modi-led Indian government's new draft amendments in the information technology as assault on the free speech. Under the new rules, the social media companies have been asked to take down news articles that are deemed fake by the government.